Anulom Vilom Pranayama. This is alternate nostril breathing. It's good for mental peace, to release the stress in mind, and to bring the emotional balance in the life. So this is inhalation through left nostril, exhalation through right nostril, and again inhalation through right nostril and exhalation through left nostril. It is inverted V movement. Left side is the Chandra Nadi, which is Ida Nadi. It represents cool, whereas the right nostril is it represents Surya Nadi or Ida Pingla Nadi, and in between both of these, there is Sushumna Nadi, which balances our mind. So we left hand in Gyan Mudra, right hand in Pranayam Mudra. First two fingers folded and thumb blocking the right nostril. Eyes gently closed. Inhale through left and exhale through right. Again inhale through right and exhale through left. This way we continue our Anulom Vilom Pranayama. And the breathing pattern of breathing speed should be slow, very slow, steady, and it should be deep breathing. We start with the left nostril. This is one repetition. Inhalation from left, exhalation through right, again inhalation through right and exhalation through left. So we start with the 5 repetitions of Anulom Vilom, and we take breath, we normalize our breath, and again do 5 more repetitions. So we can start with the 5 repetitions and go up to 20 or 30 repetitions, and it is having a curative aspect also, therapeutic aspect also. It immediately releases the tension, it immediately reduces the hypertension, the high PP readings, and it cures the headache or something which is mental disturbance is there. It totally calms down the mind. So it's very important and effective pranayama. Again we will do Anulom Vilom, one more we will do with the 5 repetitions. Inhale through left, exhale through right, inhale through right, exhale through left, inhale through left, exhale through right, inhale through right, exhale through left, inhale through left, exhale through right, inhale through right, exhale through left, inhale through left, exhale through right, inhale through right, exhale through left, Inhale through left. Exhale through right. Inhale through right. Exhale through left. Inhale through left. Exhale through right. Inhale through right. Exhale through left. Come back. Sit in Gyan Mudra. So this is Anulom Vilom. We have seen 5 repetitions. When we inhale through left, we think of cool attitude, cool feelings. And when we inhale through right, we feel of energy, power, strength, energy. So the balancing both the cool and the warm attitude is balancing. It is in the Sushumna Nadi.